Students, today we have studied about twin prime numbers and factoring a number into its prime factors. Let's discuss shortly about it. First, we will discuss about twin prime numbers. What are twin prime numbers? Two prime numbers having the difference between them 2 are called as twin prime numbers. For this, first of all, you should know what are prime numbers. Prime numbers are the numbers which do not come in any table. They come in the table of 1 and itself. For example, 3. 3 does not come in any table. 3 comes in table of 1, that is 1 3s are 3 and 3 1s are 3. So 1 and itself. Another example, 5. 5 also doesn't come in any table. 5 comes in table of 1, 1 5s are 5 and itself, that is 5 1s are 5. More examples like 7, 11, 13. These are all prime numbers. Let's turn to twin prime numbers. Two prime numbers. Let us consider now any two prime numbers. We'll consider 3 and 5. To note two prime numbers, twin prime numbers, we have to show bracket. Two brackets. Okay. Now, these are two prime numbers. 3 is also prime number. 5 is also a prime number. Let's check whether the difference between 2 is 2. Difference between both these numbers 5 and 3 is 2. Difference means minus. 5 minus 3. Is it 2? 5 minus 3 is 2. Therefore, these are twin prime numbers. Let's consider one more example. 7 and 11. Okay. 7 is also prime number. 11 is also a prime number. But 11 minus 7. The difference between 11 minus 7 is 4. So, it is not a twin prime number. Understood? Third one example we'll consider 11 and 13. Yes, this is twin prime number. Both the numbers are prime as well as 13 minus 11 is 2. Understood what are twin prime numbers? Always remember, the smaller number should be written to the left side and the greater number should be written to the right side. We'll consider one more example. 13 and 15. Okay, 13 and 15. Let's check if both the numbers are prime. 13 is prime number. 13 doesn't come in any table. 15, is it a prime number? 15 comes in a table. 5 3s are 15. Also 3 5s are 15. So 15 comes in table of 5, also table of 3. So we cannot write that this is a prime number. Though the difference between two numbers is 2. 15 minus 13 is equal to 2. But 15 is not a prime number. So you cannot write as twin prime numbers. Let's turn to next point. Factorizing a number into its prime factor. We'll consider one example. 20. There are two methods. First we'll go horizontal method. First we'll go by vertical method and then we'll go by horizontal method. Smallest number which comes for which the smallest number in which 20 comes table. We'll try it. Draw like these lines. 20 is an even number. So it is possible by 2. 2 into 10 will give you 20. Again 10 is an even number. 2 into 5 will give you 10. Now here 5 into 1 will give you 5. Here you cannot take 2, you cannot take 3, cannot take 4, because why? That number multiplied with this number, lower number, answer should be this. So you have to compulsory take 5. Write it in the form of multiplication. 20 is equal to 2 into 2 into 5. Okay, 2 into 2 into 5. So the prime factors are 2 and 5. Now we will check for horizontal method. This is vertical method. Up to down is vertical method. Horizontal means left to right, like this. Same way we will write 20 is equal to 2 into 10. Okay. Now this 2 we will keep same. Multiplication sign also same. Now what we will do? We will split out this 10. Okay. 10 is an even number. So 2 multiplied by 5. Okay. Now you cannot go further, because why? 5 cannot be split out into two different numbers. There are no numbers multiplying and giving the product 5. So 20 is equal to 2 into 2 into 5. Prime factors 2 and 5. 2 is 2 times. Here also 2 is 2 times. You have to take only once. While writing product, you have to write in full, but prime factors are 2 and 5. Thank you.